Hello everyone, in this video, how to fill a custom pattern in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then go to click Edit tab, Preset, Preset Manager, and Load, and go to your pattern file. I have no pattern. Then select and upload this pattern and use custom pattern. Open and see this. Open your image or any pattern, PNG, etc. Then go to Edit tab again, define pattern and pattern name here, click OK. And again open any object or shape, use border, click Apex tab, pattern overlay, drop down menu, and now we can see this my custom pattern. Scale, opacity, that's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.